Question 23. Given that 2x squared plus y squared over 4x squared minus y squared is equal to 43 over 1, where x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, find in its simplest form the ratio x to y. So I'm going to ignore all of this. I'm just concentrating on solving this equation for now. So I've got 2x squared plus y squared over 4x squared minus y squared is equal to 43 over 11. First thing that I need to do is cross multiply to get rid of these fractions. So I'm multiplying all of this by 11. So that would become 2x squared times 11, which becomes 22x squared plus 11 times y squared is 11y squared is equal to, and I'm going to cross multiply here as well. So I'm doing 4 times by 43 first, which is 172x squared minus 43y squared. I've removed that fraction, so now I need to move all of the x squareds to one side and all of my y squareds to the other side. Because I can see I've got more x squareds here, I'd rather move this 22x squared to this side, and I'm going to move this minus 43y squared over to this side. So I'm adding 43y squared here, and I'm taking away 22x squared here. So this is going to disappear, and this will disappear. 11 add 43 is 54y squared is equal to 172 take away 22 is 150 x squared. I want to bring all of my numbers onto one side and all of my letters onto another side. So I'm going to do two things at the same time. I'm going to divide by 150 on both sides, and I'm going to divide by y squared on both sides. On the left hand side, I'll have 54 over 150, and on the right hand side, I've got x squared over y squared. So that 150 has disappeared as well. I'm going to simplify this fraction. So I've got 54 over 150, which is the same as 9 over 25. So x squared over y squared is equal to 9 over 25. If you take a look at all of these are squared. So x is a square, y is a square, 9 is a square number, and 25 is a square number. So I'm going to square root all of this. Square root in the left side would give me x over y is equal to square root of 9 is 3, and square root of 25 is 5. We need to write this in the form x to y. If I think about the fraction 1/2, that's the same as 2/4. So I could write this 1/2, 1 to 2, that's the same as 2 to 4. So 1 to 2 x to y is the same as 3 to 5.